Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best s'mores kit is probably one of the most fun and delicious ways to enjoy this classic campfire treat, whether you're a seasoned outdoor enthusiast or a complete beginner. This video will take you through everything you need to know about choosing the perfect s'mores making kit, from the quality of the included ingredients to the convenience and portability of the design, ensuring you create the ultimate s'mores experience every time. Number 5. Nostalgia S'mores Maker. It's family night, and what better way to celebrate than with gooey, delicious s'mores. This indoor s'mores maker brings all the fun of a campfire right into your home. No more messy fires or burnt marshmallows. It features a flameless electric heater, so it's safe and simple to operate. Just plug it in and you're ready to go. With included roasting forks, you can easily toast your marshmallows to golden perfection. The 4-compartment trays keep everything organized and accessible. The durable design and easy-to-disassemble trays make cleanup a breeze. You'll spend more time enjoying your s'mores and less time cleaning up. It's inspired by classic designs, bringing a touch of nostalgia to your family gatherings. It's a unique and fun way to create lasting memories. What we like? It brings the campfire experience indoors, safely and conveniently. The flameless heater eliminates the hassle of open flames, perfect for families with kids. If you're looking for a mess-free and easy-to-clean option for indoor s'mores making, this is it. What people say. The flameless heater is a fantastic feature, no need to deal with flames or fire hazards. It provides just the right amount of heat for perfect golden brown marshmallows every time, making it a safer option for kids. The 2 stainless steel roasting forks keep everyone's hands safe while roasting marshmallows, and the 4-compartment trays are great for holding all the ingredients like graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows. It makes sharing simple, and everyone gets exactly what they want. It heats up fast, roasts the marshmallows fairly quickly, and I love the trays around it. Number 4. Sharper Image Electric S'mores Maker. Bring the campfire experience indoors. It's a safer and more convenient way to enjoy delicious s'mores anytime. It's lightweight and easy to transport, perfect for parties or any special occasion. Set it up quickly and easily. This complete set includes an electric unit, a serving tray, and 4 skewers for perfectly roasted marshmallows every time. For best results, please allow up to 25 minutes for it to fully heat up. This ensures optimal marshmallow cooking temperature. It makes a wonderful gift for friends and family. It's perfect for creating fun memories together. What we like? It's lightweight and perfect for taking to parties or special occasions. You can easily set it up anywhere to create a s'mores station. If you need a portable and versatile s'mores maker for indoor or outdoor use, this is the one for you. What people say. Great product, works perfectly and the grandkids smile ear to ear. Wait the 10 minutes to warm up and it does well cooking the marshmallows. Tray is convenient. Great product and easy to use. Perfect for those cold winter nights or rainy nights off season that you can't get outside with the kids. Also a sleepover favorite. Number 3. Baketivity x Duff Goldman S'mores Kit. It's the perfect blend of backyard fun and baking brilliance. This kit has everything you need to make delicious s'mores sandwich cookies. Learn from Duff Goldman himself. Scan the QR code for a step-by-step video tutorial and bring his recipe to life in your kitchen. Kids will love mastering sculpting, dyeing, and decorating. It's a fantastic way to build confidence and creativity. It's not just baking, it's a science experiment. Learn about color mixing, measuring, and the magic of transforming ingredients into edible art. Bond over creating these yummy treats together. It's more than just a baking kit, it's a chance to make unforgettable memories. Pre-measured ingredients, easy instructions, and all the tools are provided. Let the baking begin. What we like? It's a complete baking kit with pre-measured ingredients and easy instructions, making baking fun and simple for kids. It includes fun STEM activities that make learning enjoyable. If you are looking for a fun and educational baking activity for children, this kit is perfect. What people say. Very easy to assemble and tastes fantastic. Everything was in the kit and the instructions were very well written. Fun and easy for her to understand since she is still little. He said they tasted good as well. Number 2. Nostalgia S'mores Maker. Bring the campfire fun indoors. It's the perfect way to enjoy a delicious treat with family and friends, without the mess of an open fire. With its flameless heater, it's safe and easy to operate. Simply plug it in and start roasting those marshmallows to perfection. It features convenient roasting forks to keep your hands safe, and trays to hold all your s'mores ingredients. The durable design and easy to disassemble trays make cleanup a breeze. You'll spend more time enjoying your s'mores and less time cleaning up. It's inspired by the charm of early 19th century America, bringing a touch of nostalgia to your modern kitchen. It's a fun and unique addition to your home. What we like. It brings the campfire experience indoors, safely and conveniently. The flameless heater eliminates the hassle of open flames, perfect for families with kids. If you're looking for a mess-free and easy-to-clean option for indoor s'mores making, this is it. What people say. Super cute and easy to use. Heats up fast and super easy to clean. Surprisingly, it really toasts the marshmallows well. This works perfectly to make the garnish. Once it was together and we brought out an extension cord, it worked perfect for making s'mores. Easy to remove and clean in that case. Number 1. Hershey's S'mores Kit. It's a 14-ounce box filled with everything you need for delicious s'mores. Let's see what's inside. This kit has a full-size milk chocolate bar, graham crackers, and marshmallows. Perfect for any celebration. Gather around the campfire with family and friends. It's the perfect time to make s'mores and share stories. Making s'mores is easy with this kit. Enjoy them at home or take it with you on your next camping trip. It's great for holidays like the 4th of July, Christmas, or even a romantic anniversary. Add it to your candy selection for any special occasion. You'll find everything you need, milk chocolate, marshmallows, and graham crackers, all ready to create those gooey, delicious treats. What we like. It's a classic s'mores experience with all the ingredients you need in one box. It's perfect for camping trips or quick s'mores at home. If you want the convenience of a pre-made kit without any fuss, this is your best bet. What people say. Each bar's expiration date is 12/20/25, so I have 8 months to enjoy them. Each bar costs about 65 cents, so it is a great value. The texture and color are exactly as expected for a good Hershey's chocolate bar. It's like this warm, gooey embrace that just melts in your mouth, and trust me, there's nothing like a little indulgence that gives you the right mix of sweetness and unavoidable pleasure. Every bite is like a secret between you and the treat, and let me just say, it's hard to stop at just one. The Hershey's bars were delivered on time, were in great condition, and at a wonderful price. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.